Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, located on Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a beautiful Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Starting off in the bow of the 270, a lot of lounging space. We've got a picnic table mount for the bow. Storage that's on a piano hinge, finished out and drained, so you can use those areas as coolers. We have armrests that are built in that fold down really nicely. 2 speakers forward and an anchor windlass. We also have a freshwater sprayer up on the bow as well. Cup holders, courtesy lights, deck storage as well. And you can see that this boat is equipped with the sea deck flooring, so it's really soft and comfortable on your feet. We do have a block-off door, in addition to being able to close the windshield, so you can keep you and your passengers out of the elements on those colder days. We've got storage on the starboard side console. We've got a fiberglass picnic table and an actual teak picnic table as well for the bow and the cockpit. Really nicely appointed helm area. Nice leather-wrapped brow. We've got a touchscreen Simrad unit. Fusion head unit is here. Speaker for the captain. The steering wheel is on an adjustable tilt. Digital throttle and shift from Mercury. Trim tabs, charging ports for your devices for the captain. We do have a flip-up bolster. The seat does slide fore and aft. And then both on the port and the starboard side, we have really nice adjustable backrests. Great cockpit seating here. Great socializing area. Again, tremendous lounge space. Lots of cup holders, grab handles for safety. Another picnic table mount. More storage in the deck. As you can see, we've got a water sports tower with a built-in bimini top. This bimini folds away really nicely. And this tower is also on a hydraulic assist. Unscrew those knobs, and you can bring this tower all the way down to about the windshield, and it's not going to slam on you. Lots of storage, including a built-in cooler area. Got more cup holders here with a wet bar sink. Got a boarding step to make it easier to get in and out of the boat when you're pulling up to the dock. Ski pylon. Coming back to the transom, we've got a lockable block-off door, freshwater sprayer, another area for a cooler, finished out insulated cooler area. And then notice I can walk along the transom really easily from either side. Plenty of real estate here. Got storage beneath both of these aft loungers. I've got the adjustable seats kind of in the upward position, which gives you some lumbar support. And then you can unlock these lockers, and you've got a lot of really deep storage as well. So you can fit a lot of water toys, canvas, beach bags, really whatever you want to put down here. We've also got cup holders to the port side, another charging port. And then the boat is powered by the new V8 300 Verado from Mercury. That features the top cowling service door. You can check and change your oil and completely remove the cowling using just one arm while the boat is still in the water. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're located on Daniel Island. Give us a call at 843-747-1889 and visit us online at marinemax.com if you have any questions about any of our Sea Rays. Thank you very much, and we will see you soon.